I want to show you how I will knit a blanket from such plush, multicolored, fluffy plush yarn. Hello, dear subscribers and guests of my channel. I knitted a blanket. This is what I got. Here is such a beautiful pattern. This blanket is for a newborn baby, but quite large. Now let's see how long and wide it is. 70 by 68. I used 5 skeins for such a blanket. Yarn in 100 grams 60 meters. This is a different color, but the quality is absolutely the same. 100% polyester. I wound the yarn into a ball, because it consists of a roll like this. The yarn is called Mara. Hook or knitting needles 8 millimeters. I will knit a blanket with a number 6 hook for a blanket. I will cast on 80 air loops. I will show you what pattern I will knit. I will not cast on the whole, I will only cast on a sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Here's a sample. I will dial 10 air loops. I will knit with half columns. I will start knitting from the second loop. This is how the entire blanket will consist of half columns. The width and height of the blanket, it will be approximately a square 80 by 80 somewhere like this or 78 by 78. Half column in each loop. Reach to the end. Lifting loop. I turn the knitting, yarn over and continue the second row. And all subsequent rows with half columns. I plan to make this blanket for leisure, when the baby wakes up and plays, to put him on a soft mat, on a soft blanket, to enjoy the process of playing and stroking such a soft fluffy blanket. This is what knitting looks like. It is very simple. There are no difficulties in this. You can determine the width and length of the blanket yourself. Here is such a cute blanket I will get. Now I will show you how I will tie the edge of this blanket. For this I will take a number 5 hook. If I knit it with a number 6 hook, then for the edging I will take a hook one size smaller. I make the first loop, the lifting loop or the chain loop. And one more chain loop and begin to make a crab step in the opposite direction. Like this. Here is such a cute edging on both sides. It will not twist, it will not wrap. This knitting is called a crab step, because I go in the opposite direction of the clockwise, that is, counterclockwise. I will tie the blanket and show you the finished result. I tied my little blanket with a crab step. This is the beautiful edging I got. Quite thick, very pleasant to the touch, elastic, soft, comfortable. The product is ready. I wish you easy stitches, great yarn. And stay healthy. Goodbye.